Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back, everybody, to another What I Eat in a Day video. Whole food, plant-based, starch solution friendly. Before we go further, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. So I started, as usual, my Saturday off with my lovely morning beverage. I incorporated some turmeric with ginger mixed with a little black pepper. I opened up these veggie capsules and poured it in to my little mixture. I will leave you a discount code for this wonderful company that I have been getting supplements from, Motive 8. I've got some pure matcha. I will link my matcha below as well if you want to try it out. I just get it from Amazon, so I'll link the one I use. And here I am making Berkley's breakfast. We made some yummy oats. I just do oats, put a scoop of vegan protein powder by Earth Chimp. You know, it's our favorite and it's Earth Month, so give them a try. Try them out. They will plant a tree if you send them an email, so give back to the earth in a yummy way. And yeah, put some strawberries in there, and that was her breakfast along with some plant milk. We are on our way to go do fun family things. Me and both girls went to go eat brunch with my dad and my stepmom and Uncle Robert. So here's the menu. This is a place we love to eat at called Meg's Cafe. They do have vegan options. I did get a chai latte. Now, oh my gosh, you guys know I've not been doing coffee, but I think this one had coffee in it. So I kind of got startled when I took a sip. I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm scared I'm gonna like bust out in this craving of coffee, like, oh no, you know, I'm going to start drinking coffee again. But I was fine. I just sipped it mindfully and set the intention that I'm like, okay, I didn't know this was going to have coffee. I thought it was just going to have chai, like my ones I've been getting. And I was fine. I was totally fine, you guys. Just in case you wanted to know. Here's my oatmeal. I did end up taking off the nuts and the dried fruit. Normally, I thought they put it on the side, but I couldn't remember and I forgot to have them take it off. So I did scoop those off because I wasn't going to eat those, just the oatmeal. And then here's Berkley's potatoes with some yummy fruit. Presley got a chicken wrap. And now we are over at my grandpa's house opening Easter presents. And we always get fun Easter baskets and gifts from Honey and Boss. That's my dad and stepmom. They're Honey and Boss. I took the girls to get them some ice cream. Presley wanted to hang out and do some other fun things. So I said, well, do you want some ice cream? Berkley had a dairy-free, it's like a lemon sorbet because they stopped carrying the dairy-free ice cream there. And then Presley got like a cookies and cream and I got a matcha latte. Let's play the question game. So, what made you want to give up red meat?
I think some of it was for health reasons, and then some of it was just because I like animals.
So what health reasons?
It's good, better for your heart. Like it reduces heart problems.
And you did that research all on your own?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So, and you learned about what happens to animals when you like eat red meat?
Yeah.
And what grossed you out? You thought
I just think the whole process is not good of how they kill them. It's not humane.
Yeah. Agreed. Okay. Would you ever give up cheese?
No.
Not even if
No.
it was.
No.
Would you ever stop eating eggs?
I don't eat whole eggs anymore, like just like scrambled eggs, because that just grosses me out. They're just gross to me. But like I don't think I would be able to give up eating it in things like cake and stuff.
Okay.
But like I haven't had like scrambled eggs or like fried eggs in like 2 years because they're disgusting. I just don't like the taste of them.
So, would you think you'd ever get to a point where you stop eating chicken?
It would depend on the situation.
Meaning,
I don't know.
Meaning if you thought it would enhance something in your health, you might consider it?
I guess. Or if I just felt like I would be able to do it. But right now, no.
What would be your reasoning if you thought that you would, what would be some, like if you were able to do it, what would it, because you don't like what happens to chickens when they kill them either?
I don't know. It would just be like, I don't know. I don't know about how to answer that question.
I support you no matter what.
Okay.
I just thought everybody else would like to know from the mouth of a 12-year-old her views. Thank you.
Mom, you have food in your mouth.
Now we're back home and it's time to prepare to make that lovely, easy chili that I had mentioned in my last video. If you missed it, I will link it above so you can check it out. But I mentioned I had got a couple different things from the store so I could make this easy vegan chili. Here's the recipe. I will link it. I found this recipe on Pinterest. I love Pinterest for yummy plant-based recipes. I've always loved to follow, you know, just it's like a whole beautiful algorithm. Like I open up my Pinterest and all these beautiful things pop up, and it's whether it's food or spirituality or whatever, it's just always so lovely and I find the most wonderful things. And anyway, so yeah, that's where I found this recipe. Let's chat a little bit about some health benefits of onions. So as so many of the plant-based doctors, especially Dr. Furman and Dr. Michael Greger, they talk about how powerful onions are, especially for cancer prevention. And so some more health benefits on onions would be they have many antioxidants. They help with blood sugar levels. They improve your digestive health. They are loaded with nutrients. They are anti-inflammatory, and they may keep certain cancers at bay, and they reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. How powerful. And they're also, I didn't know this one, they're a great source of vitamin C. So I didn't know that one, so that one was new. I'll be sauteing with some veggie broth, and then I'm eating some cauliflower rice as I am preparing and making the chili. It's always great to preload on some veggies instead of snacking on other stuff. Veggies are just great, and I love my cauliflower rice. So I'm sauteing onions with some veggie broth because remember, I'm oil-free. Here are all my spices. It's like some paprika, some cumin, I believe there was some oregano. I'll list everything in the recipe below. And I did 3 different types of beans. The recipe itself didn't specify what type of beans to use, so I was like, well, I'm going to use 3 of each. There's some white beans, some black beans, and some red kidney beans. And so it also called for some sweet corn, and it called for 2 teaspoons of sugar. And I didn't have any coconut sugar on hand, which is, I love dishes that call for sugar. I love to use coconut sugar. It is so good. I make a minestrone that is so amazing, and the coconut sugar is just beautiful and brings out the flavors lovely. So I had this Swerve sugar replacement that doesn't have anything bad or nasty in it. I had that in the cabinet, and so that is what I'm going to be using. You know, when you've got sweet corn and sweet onions and beautiful flavors like that, and then you add a little bit of that sweetened element even more so, oh my gosh, this was a sweet, lovely dish. And so it was, like I said, real simple to make, and I used the canned carrots, so I didn't have to saute those as long as I would have with raw carrots. You can tell Mercury retrograde is coming because I'm stumbling over some words. Astrology is also my thing, so if you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. Just know one of the planets are spinning backwards right now, which may cause us to not communicate as well. So that's why I'm stumbling over words. So enjoy. I cut up some orange. Wanted to eat some citrus. I had mentioned to you guys in a previous video that I was looking to expand my fruit consumption. It's been quite different since I'm such an apple girl, and I love to grab my apples, and they're so convenient. So now I've been kind of challenged because I don't have the comfort of just grabbing my apples and start eating them. Like I'm having to work a little harder, like cut up the oranges, or it's fruits that are messier, actually, quite frankly. I like an apple is a clean eat. A banana is a clean eat. Like the juices, I love the juicy fruits. Like they're amazing. They taste great, but you know, I'm just having to work a little harder. But it's cool because I'm getting the benefits of eating different fruits and maybe eating things that are in season. And these oranges were flipping amazing. Here's the chili. It looks so pretty. And the whole house smelled good. I would have added maybe a little bit of pink salt. That's just me though, because I didn't add any type of salt. It's still amazing. It was fine. I ate it just like it was, but I think maybe it's because I've been eating that soy sauce on my food that I've been used to kind of richer, saltier tastes. So it's probably just my taste buds. Here's Berkley's food. She had leftover spaghetti from the night before. And look, here is the beautiful, beautiful chili. All the pretty colors, the beans, so much magnesium and iron and vitamin C, so lovely, so good. And it was just perfect for a Saturday evening. Thank you guys for being here with me again for another What I Eat in a Day video. If there's anything you guys want to see, any videos you're wanting from me, drop a comment. Let me know. I am here to share whatever I have with you. I upload videos every single week, and I appreciate your presence so much. Thank you for being here. Drop a like if you made it all the way through.